to make a choice. Big buckets or a file plan. Big buckets versus a file plan. Those are the two primary ways to organize emails that you want to retain in your email management program. Because the inbox is a terrible, terrible storage facility. Emails need a place to go. So are you going to organize them meticulously by a file plan, or are you going to put them in less than 5 big general buckets and use your search features? Decisions. Decisions that I can help you make in my Email Mayhem to Mastery online course. If you'd like more information about the course, please drop me a message below or send me a direct message and I will get you the information you need to make the best decision on how you organize your email from this day forward.